And there is major politics now that is being played over this entire issue. In fact, after facing backlash for the attack on the Navy veteran by Sena workers, now Maharashtra government has decided to reopen a 2016 case where a BJP Neta Umesh Patil allegedly thrashed former army jawan Sonu Mahajan. Home Minister Anil Deshmukh said that he received many requests regarding this incident and hence have asked the police to start an inquiry.
2016 में माजी आमदार और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अभी के खासदार श्री उमेश पाटिल और उनके साथीदारों ने जानलेवा हमला किया था। इस जानलेवा हमले के बाद में सोनू महाजन ने अपनी तकरार पुलिस में देने की कोशिश किया, एफआईआर दाखिल करने की कोशिश किया, लेकिन उस टाइम भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार यहाँ पे थी करके उनकी तकरार या एफआईआर दाखिल नहीं किया गया। हाईकोर्ट ने 2019 में सोनू महाजन जो माजी सैनिक थे उनकी तकरार दाखिल करने के आदेश दिए हैं। माजी विधायक और अभी के खासदार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के उमेश पाटिल, इनके ऊपर कार्रवाई होने के लिए काफ़ी निवेदन मुझे प्राप्त हुए और उसके बारे में चौकसी के आदेश मैंने दिए हैं।
मेरे ऊपर आमदार उमेश पाटिल और उसके कार्यकर्ते भावेश मुकुंदा कोठावदे, उनका परिवार और उनके कार्यकर्ते ऐसे 7-8 मिलके मेरे घर में 2/6/2016 को आके तलवार से वार किया है। उसमें उमेश पाटिल ने बोलने के बाद भावेश मुकुंदा कोठावदे इन्होंने मेरे सिर में तलवार का वार किया था। उसी जख्मी अवस्थे में मैं 40वां पुलिस स्टेशन में हाजिर होकर मुझे वहाँ से मेडिकल मेमो देने के बाद मैं एडमिट रहा, पर आमदार बीजेपी का होने के कारण उन्होंने दबाव देख के मेरे ऊपर एडमिट से वहीं से सीधा 40वां पुलिस स्टेशन में मेरे को जमा करवाया और मुझे उसी टाइम 1-2 दिन का पुलिस कस्टडी लेके जलगांव जेल में 5 महीने के लिए डलवा दिया।
Well, let's go across to Mayuresh Ganpati joining me live on this issue. So Mayuresh, clearly politics is being played. The reason that the Home Minister has given for raking up an older case is that he has received many requests for the same, but the current case has not even reached its logical end. So isn't this simply playing politics and doing whataboutery?
Absolutely, it is simply we can say it's a politics, because on one hand we saw that Madan Sharma met governor. He also requested governor that all the 6 people have not been charged or slapped with 452, which is illegal trespassing, and all of them were out of bail. But now we have been given to understand the 452 has been already slapped against them and they have been sent to the judicial custody. But on the other hand, what we are saying is that Maharashtra government is basically getting into the 2016 case where the BJP leader was involved in the same kind of a brawl, and in this case the charges are very severe because as we heard, the victim's victim is basically a ex-army jawan, and he clearly said that the attack on me with the sharper weapon. So in this case there are serious charges, but now Maharashtra government has ask the concerned police station and the concerned police to reinvestigate or start the inquiry again about this particular incident. Just to give a brief background, 2016, Unmesh Patil allegedly attacked this person. Then till 2019, there was no FIR against this Unmesh Patil in this matter. And after that, when the victim approached the court, that time the FIR got filed. But so far, no action has been taken. In the tweet which Anil Deshmukh had morning in the tweeted, he clearly mentioned that there was a BJP government. That's why there was no action against the Unmesh Patil in 2019, which the police didn't take any kind of action. So now it would be interesting to see that what the same police finds in that after they complete the inquiry in this entire issue.
All right. We do hope in both cases justice is served. Thanks, Mayuresh, for giving us the latest information.